Subscribe to Mr. Beast starring Michi Bochibi. This is... I don't remember doing this. This is a while ago, I think. Mr. Breast.
Hey everyone!
Oh yeah, it's
I just
Mr.
turned
Breast.
myself into an anime girl.
Oh my god, ew!
100,000 subscribers my channel gets, my boobs will get larger.
Oh my god, fucking Mary.
Oh no. Oh.
I'm not doing that. I'm not... Hear me out. Okay, Mary sent me the lyrics, like a script. I just did it one take, sent it over in 2 minutes. I'm not doing that, but you can see the... Oh my god, I paused during the big frame boob thing. Wait a minute, how many... What else is here? I kind of want to see this now.
A human.
Whoa.
Perfect.
Whoa.
I'm so hungry.
How hungry.
Me too.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat. Oh.
Watch us.
There are a lot of tubers in this video.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
So hungry. I feel so weak.
Amalikor?
I wasn't able to
Wait,
eat
is that Emily?
that girl.
Amalikor?
To eat rats again.
Good morning, cutie. Are you hungry?
This, it's much more delicious than flesh.
What did Bao do?
This is my first time playing in 10 years. It's so nostalgic.
Let's have a good game.
You bet. I summon Black Wizard and end my turn.
I'll summon a level 1 Harry Ball.
Harry Ball!
Oh, that's pretty weak. Did you draw a bad hand?
No way! I sacrificed to summon 3 hairless balls. I could then activate my spell card, letting me reveal every second card in my deck. And
Whoa,
if it's Saturday,
balls!
I could activate 4 of them instantly, but only if Mercury's in retrograde.
Retrograde.
Go forth! Cyber Dragon!
So, can I play now?
No, you lost.
True.
It was my first time going on a date with a cat girl.
I want to go to a casino.
Oh, sure. Why not?
I love this game.
Thanks,
Is
actual
she a
paid chatter for the
gambler or
13
something?
Lisa.
Welcome to Scamby Ship.
You didn't put in any money.
You don't need money.
She kept tapping at the screen with her hands for 3 hours before we left.
Base.
Hey
Mr.
everyone! I
Breast!
just turned myself into an anime girl. And for every 100,000 subscribers my channel gets, my boobs will get larger. Eh?
That's me.
Oh no.
Something like that
Sizey!
actually happened to me not too long ago.
What can I get for you?
Hey,
Diariku!
can I have a milkshake?
Sorry, sir. The milkshake machine is broken.
Huh? Why is it always broken, huh?
Because the machine is extremely over-engineered to the point of ridiculousness to impress shareholders, and thus it requires a lengthy cleaning process and specially trained staff to fix them, which because of its complexity only the company that created it can do, therefore allowing that company to earn revenue, which might be the result of some behind-the-scenes dealings by your executive that goes behind the back of the franchise owners, which the FTC is currently investigating. But I, as a simple employee, cannot comment on the validity of this case. So please come back tomorrow, and we might have fixed it then.
Oh, my head hurts.
Damn, de-accelate that. Amedon
I
Rikami.
can't believe I finally got a cute goth girlfriend. She's so beautiful and elegant. Just like a queen.
Wow.
It's summer. We should go out. You don't have to keep up that vampire act all the time, do you?
It's not that.
Why do I get to voice the big boobied blow-up person, man?
Bella.
Yeah, hi. None of my clothes work during
Thanks,
the summer.
Desu_Naito0
Sorry.
for the sub.
Why are you apologizing?
Because funny fuck.
You're my gothic queen, no matter what you're wearing.
Whoa!
Thanks.
Oh, see who else? Rin Penrose and Zen.
So, Mr. Science Man, will time travel ever be possible?
Well, you see, you already are traveling in time. When you take an airplane, you...
No! That's not what I asked, you fucking egghead! Answer the question, Magic Science Man!
You already are. 1 second at a time. We all are.
Make me a time machine now!
Damn, they really did get so many VTubers.
It's so cool today, isn't it? He's gonna offer me his jacket. It's gonna be so romantic.
You
Thanks by
can have my
Toki00
pants.
for the 13 resub.
Giga-based guy. Frederick and Lumi.
Never gonna go.
You just got stick-vogged. You think a muscle brute like you can defeat me?
It appears you have underestimated me. Unfortunately for you, I don't just have a superior body. I have a superior mind! The total energy of the universe is an integral.
Thanks, Captain Wells, for the 10 resub.
That is how I feel when I talk, dude. That's how I feel chat thinks of me.
This guy's done for. I have royal flush. There's no way he has anything better.
All in.
All in! You fool. I have royal flush.
Oh my... Exodia. Nayami and little... Oh god, I can't read too fast. Not the Exodia.
Abigail Baker, your time has come.
Not this fucking one.
Oh, I see. Do you think... Before I go, could I play just one game? My mom got me this game console for Christmas. I always wanted one, but she couldn't afford it. I don't want it to go to waste.
Okay, just one.
Thank you, mister.
Sucks ass. Fuck you.
Well, is it a fun game?
Yeah, it's really fun. I'm kind of sleepy, mister. Do you want to play instead?
Fuck you, Merryweather!
You didn't finish the game.
Thanks T_U for the 13 resub.
Fuck you, Merryweather!
It's fun, you say. Perhaps she won't mind that I borrow it for a while. She's young. I doubt she'll mind putting off her one game. For 80 years or so.
Good ending, Huzzah! I fucking hate Mary, man. Mary sucks ass! What the fuck? Wait, that was so good. Fucking Merryweather. Fucking stupid Mary. Fucking stupid. Wait, why did everyone get like... The girls get like cute roles or like... Why did I get the... Mary, why did I get the role where I'm just like a streamer that have big boobs and every subs make my boobs bigger? Why can't I be something cute? What the fuck? You're the only one who can do it. Really? Just me going, every subs I get, my boobs get bigger. Wow! Because he wants you to live your dream you'll never get. Damn, channel, right? That's fine, okay. Fuck you! You must be really flat then. Listen, man, if the shoe fits...
He just wanted you to experience something you never will. Having boobo, okay?
Shut the fuck up. My model has boobo. Okay, that's good enough. Let me be a VTuber and pretend.